Good night. Thanks for turning. Your first game against a new team, how difficult an assignment was it tonight for your first?
It was good. I mean, it's always tough playing the first game because you don't know what to expect. I mean, it's a new team racing. I know the coach well. I've been playing racing over the years. Every season, pre-season, we have played them, so we know a bit about them. We know what they could have done tonight could have hurt us, and we nullify that. And as you can see, I think from the outset, from the whistleblower, I think we're fully in control of the game. First half, I think a little bit more luck. I mean, the score could have been a little bit more different, but I mean, kudos to the goalkeeper. I mean, Coach Chumps are racing tonight. But nevertheless, I mean, we were tiling, and you know, we were pressing, and fortunately we get the go-ahead goal. I think we should be a little bit more disciplined after we get the goal. But nevertheless, 3 points and we get that is important with a clean sheet. I mean, and to Kemar, I mean, carry back us in the game, a penalty and you know, good save.
All right, coach. Start of the season, first game, first win. Last year started off a little bit wobbly. What do you feel about this season?
Yeah, I mean, you know, everything is not as card to plan as yet, but you know, we are grateful for the 3 points. I mean, we passed the ball today. We moved the ball. I mean, a little bit slow, but you know, depending on the opponent. But one thing for sure, you know, Waterhouse, we want to look the part this year. I mean, over the years we've been struggling and fighting, so we want to take the bull by the hand this year, going forward.
At halftime, numerous chances went astray, so big up the keeper for performance. What do you feel about at halftime? What would you tell the boys to tell them go out there and to get this goal?
You know, racing was a bit deep, a bit comeback. So you know, we apply a little bit more pressure. So we tell the strikers and the midfielders to apply a little bit more higher, and you know, force them into turnover. You know, fortunately, I think it worked. But I think we still could have penetrated some more. But that's it. It's first game, you know, everything's not going to be right. But we're grateful for the victory.
Come on. For me, I don't know if the media broadcaster partner, official one, if they did so. But for me, you were the man of the match in that the number of saves you brought out. How would you rate your performance today?
First and foremost, I want to say I'm the man of the match. I think Mr. Goalkeeper did an excellent job tonight. I think he really keep them in the game. Yes, my performance was good. I would say good. I'm not where I want to be yet. I'm very, very far from it. And I think I helped the team tonight to win. Also with a clean sheet and have to give thanks to give us the go-ahead goal, and we come out victorious tonight.
Kemar, pivotal penalty here. Take us through that penalty. They're really bad language. What really went to your mind at that point in time?
With penalties, the pressure is not on me. The pressure is on the kicker to kick good. So once I can try to throw him off a little bit and wait on him, and that's what I did tonight. And the penalty wasn't that great. It was near to me, so I could have reached it. So,
Coach, first of all, what does this win do for the squad going into the season, or your confidence is concerned?
Well, we still, I think we're still behind in pre-season, so it's a boost. It's a boost for us. We still have areas where we are working on, and you know, as I said, we see some positive today. I mean, I'm going forward. You know, the midfield today. I mean, the cohesiveness with the midfield today. You know, usually we're not like this, but we are grateful now to what we have. And we can get better. I mean, this is the first game. I mean, first time made to come.
Thank you, coach.
Thank you, coach.